Hello teachers, how to prepare for an excellent 80-minute session for mastering Excel using ChatGPT and Gamma. Follow me. First of all, you have to go to ChatGPT and give it a prompt for doing this. The prompt says that this one, write me as your name, which you are dealing with your ChatGPT to know that's your experience of what you are doing as a design process and planning from concept to final MS Excel training for STEM teachers. You have to write here the audience, the age of them or the specialized, and then give the time of the session and create accurate workflow chart for it. So it will reply you with all the agenda and then the basic Excel functions which you will do activities, practical activities about it, bring it, and they will do after you. Data analysis or logical functions, also this is practical things, and data visualization and using line, bar, scatter, and all of this data interpretation. Then you will ask him or it, copy this one, copy, and then ask it, please, or write or send me a data set suitable data set, suitable data set for and tasks and for practical teaching or practical teaching of the above session. Practical teaching of the above. Okay. Then you take this, you copy it, then you go to your Gamma until he prepares the data set and prepare a PowerPoint for the session. Here, copy this agenda and activities. Before copy it, you can copy it in Word file. So in Word file, you will release all this. Okay, copy again. Copy and design this one. Yes, Control V, Control A, Control C, Control Z. Then go to here and Control V here. Now generate outline or generate PowerPoint. This one, okay? Because we are saying create PPT, do a PPT, okay? Okay. Select the theme and then generate. Go back for the ChatGPT, finished sending you the data set. This also data set. Okay. All the data set appear here. Would you like me to generate this data set as Excel file? Yes, generate it. So you can do it. Yes, generate it. Okay. For downloading. And now he will generate and download and use this in your teaching. While this, the PowerPoint may be finished, you download it. Okay. This is what you will do for preparing for the session. Now, after preparing this and download the PowerPoint and that's it, prepare it practically with yourself. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel to reach every important video upload and share the video with others so they can get benefits of it. It's working in the data set, and then this one download. Now we download it. It's downloaded. Okay. Go to back here on the Gamma to see if it finished. It's working. It's still working in the PowerPoint. And now the PowerPoint about to finish. To be finished. Mastering MS Excel for STEM education. Yes, this one. Okay. Working. And then download these slides. Easy to download. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel as you said with you Usama Gandour Giles.